Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you how you can change your email on Doordash. Now, it's really easy and simple. First things first, guys, of course, you want to open up your Doordash app and tap on account. And then, guys, you come tap at the top left right here, tap on account, and then you want to click on your profile, okay? And then you can come here and change your email address, okay? So it's really easy and simple. So once you click on profile, you want to tap on the field you would like to update. And then, for example, if you click on email, then you want to tap on the check mark in the upper right corner. So what's going to happen, guys, is they're going to put you through a two-factor authentication to actually confirm the change. Okay, and if you're using a desktop, what you want to do, of course, just log into the DoorDash website, and you want to open up the menu on the left corner here, and then here, guys, you can change in things like your email. So you select account, you want to edit the fields you would like to update, just click on save, and of course, guys, you have to verify to the through the two-factor authentication. Just you'll be guided by the on-screen instructions. It's really easy and simple, guys, so I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications so you get notified of the next upload. And I'll see you guys in the next one.